How to receive what you want, anything you want, from the universe. Hi everyone, Robert Zink, Miracle Mentor and Alchemy Life Coach. And today we are soaring high. Like a big, beautiful eagle, we're flying in the direction of your dreams and your goals. We believe that on this channel, you deserve the money you desire, the love you crave, and the health and happiness that you depend on. So we are talking about the universe. And I want you to think about this for a moment. Sometimes you might feel like whatever it is you desire is so far away. That perfect relationship with your twin flame just seems like it's so far away. You know what I'm talking about. You've been working so hard for that new car or that new home, but it seems like it's so far away. You have been struggling day and night to get a better life for you and your family, but it seems like it's far away. And I understand that. But the truth of the matter is that is a low vibrational thought that you can give up right now. Today, high flyers, what you desire to manifest in your life is already present. What you desire to manifest, relationship, marriage, new job, advancement in career, money, it's already present. Oh, it's amazing. I have a story to tell you, but I can't tell you right now because Rachel and I are under, we're not talking about it. Okay, it's manifesting. But I'll share it with you down the road, I promise. One of the things that I think, no, not one of the things, the thing. What is the thing that you need to do to get all of these things that you desire to happen and to start happening quickly? And that is to realize that you are here not just to get by. You're not here just to pay your bills. You're not here just to do enough. From wherever you came, you are a pioneer. You are blazing a new trail, a new destination that no one will ever or has ever gone before. And you don't have to be an astronaut to do that. You don't have to be a scientist. You can be a butcher, a baker, a candlestick maker, a mother, a father. You are creating a new destiny for others around you and for your life too. And everything that you desire from the universe is already present in your life. Rachel and I work hard in our business, as do so many other people. But it's not hard work. It's not hard work that gets you what you desire. It's the universe. It's not struggle. It's not your fears. It's not your doubts. High flyers, it's your surrender. Surrender to the infinite. Surrender to the universe. Surrender to the part of you, the aspect of you that was never born and will never die. The part of you that is summed up in 4 little letters. L-O-V-E. Love is your hidden power. Superman has X-ray vision. You have love. Iron Man has that iron suit. You have love. Batman has that cape and that cool car. You have love. That is your secret power. That is your hidden force. And with love, you begin to connect to the universe through positivity and love. And when you are working and living your life from a place of positivity and love, nothing will stand in your way. You are destined to manifest your deepest desire. So high flyers, what you desire is already present, and it's just on the other side of a vault door. It's just on the other side. Okay, have you ever seen these big vaults? These huge vaults. And on the other side of the vault is all this money stacked up. And it's right there. But something is in your way. It's that vault door. I want to give you the combination right now. Are you ready? Get out a pencil and paper. You're going to want to write this down. Do not underestimate the combination, because it will open the door like this. And then whatever is in that safe, the universe, is yours. All of it. Here it is. 3 words. I love you. Every morning when you wake up, look at the universe and say, I love you. I'm grateful. Look at your life and your body and your mind and say, I love you. I'm grateful. And every night when you retire, before you fall asleep, say, I love you, and feel that gratitude. Here's an affirmation for you that I believe if you will do it daily, will literally change your life. It'll open that door. And anything and everything you desire on the other side is yours, because you will be living a life of love and positivity. Here's the affirmation. I am love and positivity. I am co-creator of my life. I am love. Invoke the power of love into your dreams, your goals, your deepest desire. Share it with the universe. Share it with those you love. Share it with those you don't love. Invoke the power of love. Now, here's some other videos I know will help you on your journey.